What makes a good real estate agent? Bill Husted says, "My wife is a real estate agent, and the thing I notice that sets her apart from the pack are these. I would look for these traits if trying to find an agent. 1. She honest to goodness doesn't try to sell you a house. She's in no hurry and tells clients honestly what she thinks about each house. She lets the client decide on what to buy and whether to buy. 2. She is at retirement age now and we are financially stable. If I was looking for an agent, I'd try to find one who wasn't desperate, who wasn't in financial straits that might tempt even a decent person to push for a quick sale. 3. Mary doesn't deal with rental properties, just buyers and sellers. But there have been several times when the client decided that they needed to rent to learn about a neighborhood, or just because they can't immediately find what they want. In those cases, Mary helps them find rental property. When that happens, she takes no commission. Just by doing that, people who end up renting often seek her out when it is time to buy. 4. She is a nice and engaging person. Hey, I'm prejudiced, but she also is blunt. I can think of several times she literally talked a client out of buying a house when the deal wasn't right. She could have just let them make the buy and take her commission, but doesn't do that. Now if the client, after hearing why Mary thinks it is a bad buy, still wants to buy the house, she kicks back in gear and helps with the purchase. Bull State says, according to me, a good real estate agent is full of passion, transparency and knowledge. A good real estate agent will surely have a piece of good knowledge about the styles and structure of ongoing and upcoming trends. Besides, they will work systematically in alignment with the current demands and needs. A good real estate agent should always be zealous to understand and fulfill the requirements of the clients. Meeting clients' requirements in the budget they have is a challenging task. However, the person with passion and a present state of mind can do it easily with no time lag. A good real estate agent will also keep transparency and tell you every minute and major details of the property you would be interested in buying. Best real estate firms like Bull's Estate in Mohali, Punjab, Mukul India in Delhi usually have a team of strong, passionate and highly knowledgeable real estate agents who believe in keeping transparency and providing verified properties in the client's budget. Phoebe Williams says, one thing that I would add is that a good real estate agent should be considered a friend. One thing that could make an impression on a client is how a real estate agent relates to them. As a client, you wouldn't feel great if someone treats you as purely a profit source. A real estate agent who knows how to build rapport with clients is a person who goes beyond business. Building rapport means you express genuine care for your clients, like by caring about their wants, needs, priorities, and preferences. Listening to your customer when they voice their opinions and thoughts will make them feel like that they chose the right agent. Listening is a skill. One way that could help you with developing social skills is when you do open house events. Here you will be forced to socialize, open up yourself, and listen. I believe that when you build strong connections with your clients, friendship will follow. Then this will help you to always be on top of their head. I hope that this insight is helpful. Thanks for watching our video on what makes a good real estate agent.